Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Board of Examiners, the Honorable, my thesis supervisor, Ms. Rahmadiati. My name is Najla Alia Rahma, and I'm student of Economic Department in Universitas Andalas. By student ID number 23105130044. Today, I will present my article. Title is Number of Population by Sex in Padang City. Some main part. 1. Introduction. 2. Result and discussion. 3. Conclusion. Introduction. 1. Definition of population. Population is a number of people, both individuals and groups, who occupy a certain region or country for a period of 1 year when data collection or population census is carried out. Otoyo 2019. Population is an important element in economic activities as well as worker, expert, company leaders, and entrepreneurs in creating economic activities. Editomo Confucian theory discussed the relationship between population size and the level of social welfare. According to him, a population that is too large will put pressure on people living standard, especially if the population in line to the area of land or agricultural land available to meet the population needs. 2. Definition of sex ratio. Sex ratio is a number that shows the ratio of the number of male population and the number of female population in a certain area and time. The sex ratio data is useful for developing gender-oriented development planning, especially that related to balancing the development of the male population and the female population fairly. Apart from that, it is also important for politicians to know sex ratio information, especially to increase women representation in parliament. Sex ratio formula. In general, the formula for calculating this ratio is as follows. The number of male residents divided by the number of female residents multiplied by 100. The condition of the sex ratio in an area can be influenced by several things, namely a. Mortality and fertility pattern between male and female residents. B. Migration pattern of male and female population. 3. Ratio of population number in Padang City. We can see in this screen a table of the ratio of calculating the male and female population from 2020 to 2022 in the city of Padang. B. Ratio and discussion. 1. Ratio table. This is a table of ratio of the Padang City ratio. Based on the data above, it is known that in Bungus Teluk Kabung district for men from 2020 to 2022, there was an increase. Likewise, for women, there was also an increase. In Lubuk Kilangan district, men have increased from 2020 to 2022 as well as women. In Lubuk Begalung district, for men from 2020 to 2022, there was an increase. Likewise, for women, there was also an increase. In Padang Selatan district, for men from 2020 to 2021, there was a slight decrease people in 2020 and 2021 are people, but there was an increase in 2022. Likewise, for women, there was also a decrease from 2020 to 2021 decrease, but there will be growth in 2022 people. In Padang Timur district, there was a decline for men from 2020 to 2022. The same as for women, there was also the decline in population in that year. In Padang district, there was a decline for men from 2020 to 2022. The same as for women, there was also decline in population in that year. In Padang Utara district, there was a decline for women from 2020 to 2022, the same as for women. There was also a decline in population in that year. In Nanggala district, there was a slight decline in men from 2020 to 2022, just as there was a decline in population for women in that year. In Puranji decrease, there was a slight decrease for men from 2020 to 2022, but for women there was an increase from 2020 to 2022. In Pau district, for men from 2020 to 2021, there was a slight decrease people in 2020 and 2021, but there was an increase in 2022. However, there was a decrease in women, which also saw a decrease in population in that year. In Kota Tangah district, for men from 2022, there was an increase. Likewise, for women, there was also an increase. Last is a conclusion. Based on the ratio data that the author has described, it is known that there is an increase in population in Padang City, but there is also some decrease in the average population in 2021. This could be caused by the COVID-19 phenomenon, and there could be a decrease due to population movement, which can occur due to migrating, or changing residents. Thank you to listen to me, and thank you the watching video.